Today, leaked images of what seemed to be Galaxy S25 Ultra dummy units sent the tech world buzzing. These glimpses give us an early peek at Samsung's next flagship device, showcasing both its front and rear design. What's fascinating is the subtle evolution hinted at in these images, just enough to intrigue fans without giving everything away. As the official launch nears, the leaks are coming fast and there's already plenty to discuss. One of the most noticeable potential changes is the shift from the sharp corners that define previous Ultra models. Rumor has it the Galaxy S25 Ultra might embrace gently curved edges. This subtle change, while keeping a distinct profile from the base and Plus models, could offer a much improved feel in hand. A welcome tweet for longtime users. Adding to the design speculation, some leaks suggest Samsung might abandon the rounded side frame seen in the S24 Ultra. Instead, the S25 Ultra could feature a flatter design. While opinions differ on just how flat these sides might be, trusted sources like Ice Universe and Steve Himefalai suggest straight edges that bring to mind Samsung's standard models. This tweak could enhance practicality, making the phone feel narrower, easier to grip, and possibly even more visually appealing with thinner receiving bezels. Speaking of bezels, the buzz around this device is that it might boast some of the slimmest bezels on any 2024 flagship, an exciting touch for fans of minimalist designs. Performance is also shaping up to be a key highlight. Rumors suggest the S25 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, paired with a robust 16 gigabytes of RAM. If true, this would make it a powerhouse capable of handling the most demanding tasks with ease. And for photography enthusiasts, there's talk of a major camera upgrade, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor potentially replacing the current 12 megapixels one. Such an enhancement would undoubtedly set new standards for mobile photography. With all these rumors painting a picture of innovation and refinement, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is building up to be a standout in Samsung's lineup. Its blend of design sophistication, cutting-edge performance, and usability improvements has many tech enthusiasts eagerly counting down the days until its reveal. As the launch draws closer, the excitement only grows. Keep an eye out for more updates as Samsung gears up to unveil what could be one of the most polished devices in recent memory. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of tech.